guys, this is Will from GadgetSuperhero.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at an application called HyperDock. HyperDock allows you to add more Windows 7 features to your Mac. And altogether it's not such a bad application, but there are many bugs that I noticed. But that's because it's in beta. So if I hover over an application in the dock, such as Safari for example, it's going to show the different windows that are open. Mail, dash code, etc. Now, two applications called iTunes and iCal, which I'm sure you've heard of, have different features. So in iTunes, it's going to show me the album artwork and the dialogue that allows me to play the music and fast forward to different songs. For iCal, it's going to show me the different events that are happening today. So if we go to System Preferences and go to HyperDock, you have all these different selections. So if we go down to Behavior, it allows me to kind of change how the application works when the mouse hovers over. So if I deselect Show Full Size Preview on Hover, deselect it, it's not going to show the full size preview. If I go to Appearance, it's Appearance. I don't need to explain that further. This application does support hotkeys, which I really don't like because macOS 10 is a Unix operating system, and I prefer the Unix commands over preset commands that you created yourself. Window management, self-explanatory, advanced, which just allows you to change the timing of the application, and about. So the one thing about this application is that it's adding features from a different OS on a different OS. Now that can be kind of a good and a bad thing. First thing is that it's adding a lot of functionality. But the second thing is that it might be a little bit disruptive. So if you're working on, let's just say, a dash code project, this can kind of get in the way if you're coding in it. And all these different windows are popping up. The second thing is that if you're a Unix fanboy like me, you kind of like macOS 10 as a Unix-like operating system and not like a Windows-like operating system. If you get what I'm saying. I did notice a few bugs in this application. For example, this application does support going to the sides, bottom, and resizing. As you can see, there are a few bugs. Sometimes when I bring this down, it's not going to resize. But I did notice that if I brought it to the corner, it would actually fit the half bottom of the screen, but it doesn't do that anymore, which is kind of weird. Second thing was that if I moved at the bottom of the icon of an application, it would actually open the application. But of course, these things that are happening with the application are in a beta stage, so most of these fixes are probably going to be totally taken out of the application when the production actually releases. So if you want to pick up HyperDock, go to hyperdock.puhum.de. I will put the link in the description. Please visit twitter.com/GadgetSuperhero for all the latest updates. Like our Facebook page, the link is in the description. Please visit GadgetSuperhero.com for the latest gadget news. Visit our forums, the link is in the description. And once again, the link to this application is in the description as well. This is Will from GadgetSuperhero.com. Have a nice day.